You would say your barber is a good barber. That's why you go there, right? You feel like your barber qualified to be a barber? Check the video.
Mr. Tege travel all the way from Uganda to Kenya for this geometric haircut. Na mimi nikamchezea na geometric moja safi, nikachukua protractor nikapima all the way 90 degrees, 100 degrees. I never know what was in his mind. And this the final haircut at the end of the day.
But the black guy mash up everything with personal feelings and personal opinion, brother. When you do them thing, you have to just brutally honest.
No, so you know what Jay Maga say to me? I feel like some of them black guys I get buyout still.
Call name.
I feel like some of them.
Call name.
But can't prove it, so I not call name. No.
As I say, we have receipts, bro. I have all a 2 hour worth of short videos. So you don't know how to that.
You know, really have no sense, people. So
yeah.
No, man, really, man, them can't prove it. Nothing for them.
No.
Can't prove
it, so I not call.
Call Nigo's name, bro. Nigo's your talk, bro. Call Nigo's name, bro.
I know him alone. I know him alone. Feel like that Chris shoot that too.
Chris Genius?
and
You're
him
the
alone,
Chris Genius. Him only your theme voice,
really good, same bias.
So me and you were there, so we can just, you can say, show me a perspective, and we can agree or disagree. You might hear him say,
Some of them black guys, like me don't know if when you have a personal bias or something.
And then Mr. say bomba song drop. What that go? My bias? Okay, whatever.
Me run with whatever narrative.
My bias, buy out all these things, yeah, man. Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
Them go and run with the narrative.
You know, sister, the people them a call me run back, I know. You come highlight it and your fault, Tara. It's your fault. Your fault, Tara.
The same buyout.
So I use our buyout.
I used to protect cartels, sir. We don't protect cartels, sir.
Because he's moved on.
The cartel are on that, bro. Be
satisfied too much, bro.
Satisfied with the war where you have biasness. Bias.
Who buy him out there? No boy can't buy me out.
Bias. Me no business if you don't say my bias. Call me bias. Me no business.
But nevertheless, me not take disrespect from no boy at all. You can bad in a comment section. Say all I want in a comment section. You can't try that comment section shit with me in a real life. So me know that, and with that, me comfort myself. Approach me in a real life and tell me you just tell me in a comment section. And we know who's serious.
876, critical thinking. Big up yourself. And the big up baddest thing. Break it.
So you're there surprised.
Alright.
You're there surprised.
Earthquake. You better know that a shake will come to shake up the whole place.
Yeah, people. Big up for yourself. You see me I say, big up to a new subscriber them. Bless up the grassroots subscriber them. I don't know. This the on phone back. You see me?
Every week and every video we are going to tell them, say, I respect to one man.
I'm to one man.
Settings, no.
See, you know, we can't wait till we can do something for now. Believe me. Believe
man,
me.
that's cool, man. Hey, watch out. We don't want to wait till YouTube appear before we have to give back, you know. But we know anything already.
So pocket kind of fracture. So yeah, we have to wait till YouTube appear. You see me? You know, just tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend.
But we're not going to see, we're not join the journey with we.
Yes,
so we're not going to see when we get the first peer from YouTube and what we do with it and all them things they don't it.
Straight. So watch on BadCast people. Welcome back. And this is a BadCast not because it's a bad podcast, but because it's raw, unfiltered, and objective. You see what I say? A bad picking here deal with it. So watch now. Before anybody start get emotional, because you know we know the thumbnail I go look and rare. You see me I say me just want to make it clear, say this is not an attack. You see me I say I no bad mind, I no jealousy, I no clout to your chase. Well, we know say we can get clout from it because you don't know we can go no further down, we have to go up. You see me I say that way the views there and the subscriber them there, but no, I no clout to your chase. This are really clarity. You see me I say, because too often me see in them days in this generation, people I go to comment section for guidance, serious things, you know, or I even just look at trivial things. But I comment section them I go. And I like one comment section like what where Elon Musk have the name Grok.
Grok, yeah.
Grok.
Where you can ask Grok to verify this.
And then verify.
And Grok as an AI just verify it.
Exactly.
And come back with, you know.
Yeah, so them a comment section iffy. So people come there look guidance, especially this generation of people.
And we have said this long time, But you see that clash thing here between Masika and Tamili.
Yeah.
You want to see it more.
You sure that I really
clear.
that a go on. You see what me I say? So what we are say is the people them way in control of them something there. And if you understand say a guidance the people them, not for them a come for. Them a come for an answer. You see me I say when you do what you do, then still left confused, brethren. More while a nice than get instead of one direct answer.
Yeah, because as well twins have twins say.
Remember you deal with that generation of people now when I think none at all, you know. You make a post and say, oh, pop is selling $60,000 one. And the first comment where you're gonna say, how much for one of the puppy? At that generation they are dealing with now.
If you feel agitated or what would I say, if you feel triggered, just take a deep breath. You see me I say another video there. You see me? But if you're confident in your work, you don't know what to worry about, brother. You see me I say? Make we get to it. You don't have to know so we respect your OG them. Because we have clips almost everyone I want been a support in a long time. You see me from all my PlayStation 3 save. From my PlayStation 3. You see me I say, yeah man. But before podcasting and vlogging become a everyday Jamaican thing, you see me I say, at them your man I used to do it. You see me? Some people in a game say
Reaction to.
Say before reaction.
Because some man only react to music, some man react to phone videos.
Clips and then sitting there funny like Kevin Too Crazy and Rapper Crapper, Real Godfather. Yeah, this a boy one of their people, but a true that just means a true we attack and we no bias.
Nah,
it's a complete stranger that.
You see, OG them when I talk about all of them you they get to subscribe from way
back. We might not watch you now in OG and only cause we really in I feel.
Yes, I just like me dance and like we are burn them out.
Cause I don't want to use phone thoughts.
You see it?
I don't want to gather my thoughts off of what you think. I don't want it similar. You see me, me like, even if a man I go say, yo, I see him thing that man say, me know in myself, so me never hear him. You understand?
And with them, if you understand to say what you know, them a part of encouragement, we encourage you like we, so we can go there and go do our thing too.
Straight.
Because we know we are forward with an unbiased reasoning.
You see me?
You see it, we're not forward with no biased thing, and we see when enough time them lapse.
Yeah.
So I just say go.
And so whether you big up your OG them man them were there 7, 8, 9 years in a game before vlogging was even a popular thing, before so with internet shaky, before when it ain't cool, bro. People see a vlog, you laugh, they laugh after you. That's what I say, and them the people that stay consistent, that it can dare so today where anybody can go so boop so and the platform not get scrutinized. Man like CMR, CM the fix I first one me know, although them to me them and they want really podcast then time there. I don't have I don't ya Devin the doctor and love a VN funny.
Because here people don't understand to me. We have to break it down, you know. Podcast different from vlogging. Vlogging saying different from podcast, you know, because if you remember Full Wildlife and some youth like them there. When me say them we use one GoPro and just go outside with them catch some fish and them vlog the whole day of their life.
Yeah.
They must show you what they go through as like a surviving vlog then.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But so what you know that people if you understand say vlogging and podcast are two different things.
Yeah.
But they're similar.
Yeah.
But they're similar.
Yeah.
To me.
Because when you draw one good point with fold them, because what you know, me would have said the difference between a podcast and a vlog is because a vlog you don't necessarily show your face. You see me? You talk over information and other clips. You see me?
Yeah.
You know, on podcast now, more visuals. You see me? I said so. You have a structure, a target, one certain audience, or one certain line of topic.
You remember how we start when some youth would have them camera, all right, like some overseas people until they say, "Oh, a day in the life," cause it start streamers, right?
That a vlog. Yeah.
Streamers play game and them thing upon them streaming platform. But you have a day when them get up and them use them phone or them GoPro as me I say. And them show you a day where them live them life by going out, go out, go get food, whatever them do. So it's like you vlog your day. People, if you understand the difference of vlogging, reaction, because definition them and thing there. Kevin Too Crazy. Them you they react to videos. You make a video and it's funny, or it popular, it get viral. Them you they react to it.
According to this, then say, the main difference is the medium. You see me? A podcast is primarily audio focused, designed for listening like a radio show.
Yeah.
And demand during commutes or tasks. You see me? while a vlog, video blog, is video first, requiring visual attention for lifestyle tutorials or vlogs, shared on platforms like YouTube.
Exactly.
That don't really give me no personal clarity to it. A difference between them be.
All right, it give me a difference. Let me show you a difference. Like for example, when Fall Wildlife them go, right? Fall I show you
Lifestyle.
how him catch him fish.
Lifestyle.
Then. Yeah, and next man use just fish hook and fish line and then go throw him line and then catch fish. Fall have a slingshot where him put one head spear in cut off and then shoot the fish them by standing up and see fish and shoot him through the water. So it's like a tutorial. Then he show you one day now he make the slingshot. So it's like him show you how him surviving in the wild. So that considered to me as vlogging.
Yeah, it's either a tutorials and that way so you get sense out of it for real. One big up the OG them. Man like CMR, you see me I say then time there when me there listen, you know. Man like Nightly Fix and me know Javi them then time they need. You see me I say but Javi you is a beautiful what they call it addition. Although me here say you did it. Zane, Pterodon. But few others of them. But if they not did a 7, 8, 9, walk and talk. I don't know
no, walk and talk and something they did a friend. I told them used to run the same thing. Yeah,
Jeffrey. Jeffrey.
So well, you have couple people with party night now. See, now we talk about that. Can chat about OG them cause Full Wildlife right now running one channel. Him and two other YouTube jal par. See, look, people gonna see our channel right now, and tell themselves, say, me and you gonna
split. Hey, people, me and this boy I do too much business. This year, can't split you. Me not lie too, not at all.
Hey, we can tell you this, man. You see, any day you don't feel like, say,
if money with me and them boy I go through together, me and the boy I do too much business, people. I know this year I go split it.
All right, first thing, no. See, people were really, I watch your video, I go here, no. Say, me can't really move, you know.
Yeah.
See, so basically, this is youth here. I'm my foot from way back. And if alone, you know, this a fucker over there, so to you know, nasty.
Yeah.
See, I whole heap of them.
I move like in nasty.
So, I only have to watch your video them if you all know this right now. Because we don't talk about that. We are moving on.
Yeah. So what you know, them people that we are talking about. You see what me I say? Man, like, same Tef Nation them and Sir P them same way. You see me I say? Me wouldn't say twins are twins them, because me not like twins are twins them, they just start do this podcast thing over there.
Yeah.
Them a put out content still for a longer time still, you know that.
Me hear when I told them explain already say what them a do from a long time was basically a podcast, but them never classify it as that. You understand? Because it's like there wasn't that classification then.
Yeah.
But what them a do by giving way, they stir it up them from one go way up too much now.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That basically a podcast because you know really are no visual. It's something where they listen to commute. And it makes sense for you because I'm going to tell you this. I only think me really used to could have played in my yard back then as a youth with bad word cussing.
Yeah, people them the front.
And people in the business. Mummy they are dead with laugh.
They more for laugh.
We serious and mummy here move to Baroka voice.
Yeah,
dead mummy are dead with laugh. That we are telling you.
Yeah, man.
So it could have fit in another podcast.
Yeah, that's true, man. I just true we as Jamaica. That me I said that's why we have to give thanks to the OG them like CMR them and fix them and them people they see them way because of them they hold it up when it wasn't cool, bro.
Yeah.
You see me I say nobody now follow up with it. You see me I say that's how then they are so and look to as respected. That's why the sheep them flock to for them comment section. You see what me I say? So cause then they are before monetization even clear.
Yeah,
you see what me I say as me say, bro. So at that man, you see me? So them are forward from traditional media. TV and they sitting there, cable and they sitting there. So they know how to structure podcast. They know a difference between news and opinion. They know a difference between a reaction and a review. They know the weight of speaking to a whole country. Or at least they should, you know. Because I not tell you say all OG is perfect. We don't want people feel like I hate before what I hate. No, these are people who support and they're supposed to can tell the OG them when them frig up. They're supposed to can tell. The thing is you have one new wave sitting there. Creators, content creators. Because remember me they tell you what they say, you feel the job no about 10 years there in Jamaica for
TikTok make the content creator feel very saturated.
Yeah, man.
When I say saturated,
man.
God, man.
Fast forward now, man, with that man Zine, everybody get a mic. You see what I say?
Everybody.
So watch you now, and there you are going now. A young creator them Then come in either offer, they have one backing already from either gaming or street loyalty. They have a camp, you know, a school as them, so they're still connected.
Bro, Rosalie, a bigger creator than me, you know.
Yeah,
and all
come
Rosalie,
on,
we see
man.
them on TikTok.
Come on, man. Zane, so alright, Rosalie, for sure, say you can start from scratch. So nobody feel like me just a cuss the people, or a cuss the people, and come in with them people already. Me just say, Zane for all these new creators, and see me twins try say it to him friend them what you see me. But him kinda rumpum say no sugarcoat, but me say sugarcoat it because him understand the generation.
Yeah, me say
the generation what they are, so them are kind of fully vendetta generation.
Yo, it's a sugarcoat, you know.
They not put on.
Watch out. If you admit the statement is a sugarcoat, but what me I say is in sugarcoated because I say you deal with your co-workers. You see, for your co-worker, you know, just go to the boss and go report where your co-worker do wrong.
Yeah.
Just so. You get me I say?
Which is real.
It's like you try to go to your co-worker first.
2 Lakhs put him 2 cents on the video when we make with Massacre and Vibes Cartel Flow. That video, watch the video, watch this.
Now, 2 of my brethren them. I mean, when I say brethren, I mean some youth them rap with. The only reason I play them clip here is to prove, say, some of them black guy, like, me don't know if when they have a personal bias or something. Because to me, it dog them have a side and them choose them side.
Hold on, wait. See me side there. So anything you see me post about Vibes Cartel and Massacre and them, I reach bait. Come, continue.
See? Them choose them side till them actually hear and see things when it exists. To me, I want to tell me if I'm me wrong. As I said, me and them are brethren. So all the while we have with different opinions and rate and we still good. But the blogger them mash up everything with personal feelings and personal opinion, brother. When you do them thing, you have to just brutally honest. And sometimes there's a thin line between brutally honest and bias. Them two scenarios they favor like twin. Believe me when I tell you. Now, the first clip I go play from my brethren, Mellow Vibe, big up yourself, Mellow Vibe. The thing I go and good enough, bro. But you can't use them little clip here and water down your thing.
Because Vibes Cartel, Steve Massacre Flow in a diss drugs lad. I'm going to play the video, make you hear. Because somebody make that video and send it on give me and say, watch our Vibes Cartel, big world boss, Steve Massacre Flow, and put it in a song and nobody never point it out. People know, you know, but them now point it out, say Vibes Cartel a real criminal. And that's the reason why Massacre use back Vibes Cartel Flow in the clash right now. Because Vibes Cartel can't say nothing about it. Because Massacre pick up, say Vibes Cartel a thief. Listen to the video and tell me if I know Massacre Flow this Vibes Cartel use in other song. Listen to this.
The way you reach in that clip, reach, I mean, reach so much, you can be a Florida. I'm a fly guy, New York, go link you, I'm gonna see you. Can you reach in that one, bro? Well reach. Yeah, cap, man. Like your past cap. Brother, you can't use them thing you mash up your credibility, you know. Use a youth where you ever thought the thing them the right way. Now you miss for over there. Now, see my next friend, big up yourself, Chris Genius. See? And Chris Genius to me in that clip here basically do the same thing what Mellow Vibes do. When look, see clip here.
You see me? I him point out the part where Massacre goes so bam and use Devin the Doctor punch. You understand me? I say, that are the Devin the Doctor song where in the doing of the war with Shane Skull, 3 Little Crooks. So, I want to listen to this, you know, keenly. Massacre part at 10 seconds and the Devin part at 10 seconds as well, you know. Use the comment section, people, and tell me if you think, say, a Devin flow, punch, and everything in teeth right there, so. To me, like listening to it over and over because I've been listening to it over and over and I mean I say, yo, you know, say I see him thing. He look like him pirate Devin the Doctor for real.
Look like me I need an ENT specialist, you know, because me listen keenly and it now works. So it look like me deaf off. Now, I do agree, but 2% say is almost the same subject matter. At the same concept. Subject matter cannot be considered as piracy, bro. And the 10-second thing we talk about, music about thing in 4 count. You never know. In order to stay on the beat and the key. That's why them say, oh, the first line, the second line, the third line. Especially if the two artists them use the same BPM, beats per minute, them are gonna end up with the same timing. But a two different song that, bro. There's no way you can say Massacre, Thief, Devin, the Dr. Flow in that song there. I don't know me rate Devin already. But that quick for admit it. But you know if you learn, brother, as journalists, cause that we do, whether we believe it or not, to be responsible. When you not, even if you hate a man like Poison, if you talk it truth, man. When you don't rate an artist and a them you don't rate, if the man them gone bad, them just gone bad. So it go if my side lose today, we might win tomorrow. Take up the attitude there, bro. Stop try create scenarios for artists when they exist. Your artists for just bad and a lead in the clash because I'm bad. Not because you not create scenarios and excuse for them. That's why the artists them not get no better. I'm good enough, bro. But you can't use them little clip here and water them thing.
Because Vibes Cartel, we no must know that video there. We not gonna play everything, but you can check out him show. Indeed be away. Indeed be away over there, your fart. But I reach best. My dude be away over there, your fuck. We can't go watch the video. We go watch it.
Them actually hear and see things when it exists. To me, I want to tell me if I'm me wrong. As I said, me and them man are bridging. So all the while we have with different opinions and rate and we still good. But the black and mash everything with personal feelings and personal opinion, brother. When you do them thing, you have to just brutally honest. And sometimes there's a thin line between brutally honest and bias. Them two scenarios they favor like twin. Believe me when I tell you. Now, the first...
You see, for your co-worker, you know, just go to the boss and go report to your co-worker do wrong.
Yeah.
Just so. You get me I say?
Which is real.
It's like you try to go to your co-worker first. But he maybe can link them on the phone or whatever. So he not going to do one video where he might throw them under the bus. He just literally show you, say, bro, I understand what we're not doing. But it wrong for people them where seek information. Because you lead them astray. It's like, let me tell you this. It's like Gaza Nation build a sheep academy. And you are endless people to go to the academy there, even though you not go there.
Yeah.
That don't make no sense.
You have to know where you do it.
Yeah,
the responsibility forward with it. Because at the end of the day, for real, like a journalism. And me say, you might not right now, you might just say, yo, fuck that a YouTube after me no business about it, make him and them make them money. Like you, like
what me I
Rumpum.
say?
Exactly
what me I say, bro.
So if I did fit Rumpum, this a video you not do.
Yeah,
you
because let me tell you this. Me realize it create a space.
And me agree with him.
And me realize if alright, there is a youth to do it more than once, And the last time him do it, people come out and burn him out, When it's like him say, cut away him say. But him get the girl first to come say one thing. Remember I catch what he say, hold up your stress.
Oh, Jeffrey,
right? After I get to hold up
your stress. Me call him look while. How long him do film podcast?
A good one, I say man.
Him want you to have one structured podcast.
Yeah, man. But me I say after him do that, or before him do that, him realize say viralness about them type of clip. So when me believe say is some of them youth naturally just do what them do to get the viral snippet there to go up on TikTok and everywhere else for everybody run go look on the video. More money generated.
Yeah.
So watch out. It's like even if you don't feel so, you will gravitate to where master say because you know you're gonna get a wider response.
And
than saying the truth what they must not say.
And about that what him said, me feel the same exact way here about one particular person where I call bias. And me used to say bias, me there watch it, observe and me there say bias. Me not feel like a bias no more. Me just feel like him new to this, so I'm around with the mass because he want to gather the mass. And
exactly,
nothing wrong
bro.
with that. You see what I say, but as me I say, bro, we have one responsibility. So that's why me forward. Because at the end of the day of journalism. And me just tell myself, say, yo, when you don't get youth or if you don't have a youth, them say, alright, so you just get one youth today. 10 years down the line, you see, you youth do something where you advocate for today. When you just say, I just YouTube, fuck that to young and wild and young.
Yeah.
You see me, I say,
and that's how we can forward.
You're not going to feel away, bro.
That's how we can forward us until you say we rate Trump.
Yeah.
Because the reason why we rate Trump.
But when I tell us, go follow him, go support for him, go do this and that. No.
If you don't realize that Trump try to clean up in country, right? The country where you are president for, and you try to clean up your country. It's bad for me and you when in our country, no doubt.
No
it's
doubt.
bad for we, of course, bro. And
Oh,
I
you
want
tell her
to
that.
go over there. Me want to go over there to go make some money. But the fact still remain. I my president of the country that him clean it up. With that we need Andrew Wellness for do. Right so.
See, that's why we admire Trump.
Exactly.
Andrew for try some of them technique.
And he must not say that. He must not say that.
You see me?
Because most Jamaicans where they are firing right now, not like Trump. So when we say that for our video right now,
why would they?
Enough response we get even for our family member them.
Yeah.
We tell we say, yo, what we say are foolish. And actually we not there. And I make it look like say, well, we bad mind them. We're not bad mind.
They not listen what we are saying.
Yeah,
you see what I say? So here what I say about the people them now. A new wave of content creators now. We have them massive forwarding. 20,000 people are following, you know, necessarily mean you know, qualified, volume and expertise, you know, mean qualified for break down lyrical warfare. You see what I say? You know, might be, you know, but not because you know have numbers, mean you know, is or whatever it's supposed to be there. So you see what I say? But yeah.
I'm one with the distinction.
I tell you that. My brain go look a while and I mean I have time for it. So you know say no, you might be. But then you know mean you know qualify for break down lyrical warfare. You know mean you qualified for what say judge music objectively. You see what I say? Alright, pre the we're gonna show you one video. You know your barber, Zin? And you would say your barber is a good barber, that's why you go there, right? You feel like your barber qualified to be a barber? Check the video.
Mr. Tege travel all the way from Uganda to Kenya for this geometric haircut. Na mimi nikamchezea na geometric moja safi, nikachukua protractor nikapima all the way 90 degrees, 100 degrees to the corner. Then hapa kada 90 degrees. Opposite side B, opposite side C. Then nikatumia cosine rule to calculate the area of this hair. Because it was spherical and sharp. I never know what was in his mind. And this the final haircut at the end of the head.
You're perfect. You're perfect.
Alright.
Wait, I don't know how weird.
The video we watch a while. See? And that said me I don't ask when we active. What weird in that video?
Me not know. Me not see it. Me not see nothing weird.
You not see nothing weird?
No.
Okay.
How what?
The barber. Nothing about him not weird.
No, I want him to have one construction hat.
So that no weird?
No!
I'm with him on my blood clot.
African country dog, them people wear anything about my brother.
No man, you're mad man. A joke we just run as a youth. When you have one friend when foot too big. And say to him, say, dog, come like a carpenter make your boat. Cause me I tell you, the shoemaker couldn't make that.
So is a construction work off the line up this over the end with string and then sitting there for the foundation. Yeah. Yo, which color suit you want for your guys? You are good there? So that's how I say people. Not true they have a mass. Me and them qualified. Cause you know what I mean? If a barber not still like them and they. But chances are you not qualified. You see me I say, yeah. So what you know now? What cause the big confusion, bro? Cause me hear people, and as we say, we are clear here because people afraid to say it. Other vloggers them, other podcasters them afraid to say it.
No, so you know what Jay Maga say to them? I feel like some of them vloggers I get buyout still.
Call name.
I feel like some of them.
Call name.
But can't prove it. Some of them call name. No
man, we man, them can't prove it. We're not done for them.
No. Can't prove it, so I'm not call.
Call Nigo's name, bro. Nigo's your top, bro. Call Nigo's name, bro.
I know him alone. I know him alone. Feel like that Chris shoot that too.
Chris Genius?
And
him alone. Chris Genius, him only your theme voice,
same bias.
So me and you were there, so we can just, you can say, show me a perspective, I can agree or disagree. You might hear him say.
I guess I know. It's hard for you don't look bad mind or like you try to stop a man thing when you and them there on the same level or near same level or you see me? Vice versa, the way them they up you they down them. You see me I say?
Yeah, but we don't really give a fuck. So listen, man,
we just want to do the right thing, brethren. So take a message from this if you do the right thing, bro. You see me? So let me show you what causes the big confusion. Words are gonna kill Jamaicans. Some people don't know why difference between a reaction as opposed to one review. You see what I say?
True.
Yeah. So one reaction emotional people. You see what me I say? It instant, it personal, and it unfiltered. You see what me I say? Like for example, you talk about soup. You see what me I say? And you say, yo, I like it. Or me no like it. You see what me I say? That is just a reaction. But what me I say is excitement no mean say excitement and no critique people them a critique it thing. You see what me I say? So true they say bomb bad this bad. That no really mean say them a tell you say yo I great the soup. They not tell you nothing about the soup. You see me I say if you feel review the soup now, like when you go to a restaurant and you go to book so and you write your review, you go tell them now it kind more structured and it informed. Yeah. You go tell them where it tastes like or we're missing what
too much time leaving.
What could I make it better? You give comparisons. You give why bad and why good.
Yeah.
That's a review. It's more structured.
Or cut up a goated to find a fine board.
Yes, what me I say, bro. When it comes to this field there where we're there now, yes, what me I say, and people say review and reaction. Oftentimes they mix them up, and then the public now come, them are gonna take a reaction as a review, and then left the comment section still confused. Uno have to tell me how soup tastes. Otherwise, bro, uno go people label reaction as review, and then them are left confused. Zine, and that can't go work because where some enough reaction do, because it's a reaction you can do it. You go discredit one somebody or just or discredit who you know rate. Zine and big up who you like.
Because all I'm doing is reacting to the video. For example, I react to the video when I see what they are where man we beat up a man where I call up him mother name. I go react to the video and say, yo, see man beat up the brother there.
A dog.
A dog. I rate him. For this disrespect one for your boy disrespect your mother and you go deal with him shabby. You understand? Me rate that.
When we are reviewing video now, we might tell you so this next person are 68. So at the end of the day, this is a young 29-year-old boy. She don't go beat up a 60-year-old man.
Exactly, because a review mean you need more information. For example, you need to know the next person's side. You can't just pre one side. For example, hey, no pun intended.
One side. Saved flame. Because listen to me now, him say Gaza in a paper. Zane, but he can be objective because him clearly say Gaza. So anytime him start go overboard with film Gaza pints, then me know nobody listen that. Take it with a grain of salt.
So if you can't admit that as a Gaza person, if you say, yo, you don't know so we have. We artists who rate and respect. He's a pussy whole human being.
Yes, you're a greatest artist.
That tell me say
Grace Jamaica so far.
That tell me say you're in a sheep category. If you can admit say, yo, watch no man, the artist a baddest thing in the dancehall right now. But is a worst human being Jamaica really know. Yeah.
So what you know now, as we say, if you no have or if you no there for one camp, you see me I say, remember say this is not just music, this is an identity, dog. This is a loyalty and history, you see me? So when one vlogger out there I come from one camp or they rate the camp publicly or a benefit from the camp, like how they love say Street Vibes a sponsor
Jesus God.
The fix. By the way,
yo,
the comments,
no boy the sponsor with.
This somebody when name JDis6004. I mean that. You see what I say?
No,
I
stand corrected. The person who sponsor with is a partner to the channel. You no might not see me yet.
Yeah.
Just
Big up yourself, G, man. Yeah,
but
man.
is a partner to the channel.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
so
man.
when me say no boy no sponsor with,
no
boy no sponsor with. The person where is a partner to the channel.
It's us. It's
Yeah,
us.
it's us.
You see me? You see me? But watch out. I mean name JD6004. Krish. I mean name JD6004. I mean did on the TikTok and I say yo, your review slow and you say yo if a YouTube watch fan really. Then me just want to put that out there. You see me? Me did there now in the comment section early on the video because me see the narrative I go around and me want to identify where people I get that from. Because here we go and as me say if you have vloggers were there on the same caliber or near the same caliber, it look like bad man or not try to tear down on one another. We not there on the caliber there. Anyways, we want to do the right thing. You see what me I say? Cause me say one youth there on the Jeffrey podcast what there and him say it say like he feel like he want get buyout and some of them people that get buyout and him Jeffrey I say yo call name. Now Cyaah say you know one call name because Run a video. Because we do the research, we actually make a video. This is not an attack. This is just when me observe, because no found not go take it time. Enough people are say bias, but the truth is they can't get the facts or they can't get the proof. Well, we have receipts. You see me I say, so I took the time, screen record from my phone, put them together and show you instances of where biases might be shown. Because if nobody no begs if you just come declare, say, yo, all right, Mr. Gaza or Mr. Genocide or Mr. this vendetta, I guess what? It make, as I say with Rumpum, we clearly biased to Gaza. It make when he says certain things when me know say that not sound feasible, me take it with a grain of salt. You see what I say? So me I forward from Gully side to genocide.
Right. All who say we could accept because this is one call to action. All who watch the video right now reach up to this point.
Yeah.
Can tell who win the first round of the clash.
Yeah. Tell with that.
Me mean say the first 2 songs them release who win the first round of the clash.
Because if bias need that show around in a real life, the first 2 rounds.
The first round of the clash.
The clash would have done.
Go to Massacre.
The clash would have done.
Make Tamile is strength in its same way or reason why. We know say a clash in the last one round. And the fact is, after Tamile initiate the clash. And he never initiate the clash like how some other man do it. When he only say, yo, what they me kill one mosquito? No. The man literally tell you say, massacre look like mosquito. So watch out, if you hear me call a name at that point and you can respond, you only show me say he's like, I don't know if you're afraid of me or what, but it's like you know why I war thing. Cause somebody call a name right now.
Right now, direct. So you know how that go.
So to me, that's why I make it family same way. It's strength tonight.
It's strength.
But a massacre win.
All right.
Because
so
the
I'm gonna tell you what
the song has
you
a
have to be objective when you judge these things, Bridget.
Oh God, man.
You see me I say, so here where man I tell you say reasons. He might explain. He might give you a reason. So this is not me not like the song.
Yeah.
This is me not like the song because this.
While
me like the song because this.
Yeah.
That's a review. Zin, so here we go on. If you don't want a review, go and go find the reaction channel them. If you don't want a reaction, go find a review channel if you need somebody to explain from like all for them perspective. Sometimes you have people where they in I feel, so they can tell you, like me here twins I say, yo, because he's an expert on psychology, you know the psychology where Massacre use. Them things there, Cyaah is a reaction. Hold on there. Alright. So the truth is that if you don't bias and upfront with it, people respect it more. You see what I say? Other than a look funny, say your bias are hide it and bias. So you dress up facts, opinions as facts and then sitting there because you hide it. Zane, and you know one tell. It's not for one say on no bias. Christians me they try to find few video them, but as me say most of few video them I did live. And this start never forward to me in the early part of the war because I didn't really hear the narrative so much. I did think it to myself, but I didn't really hear the narrative so much. So when I say, well, as I say, a genocide, I say, so I appearing maybe a me bias. That's what I say. But anyways, watch this now. We have video receipts, as I say. If you're biased, and you go tell we say, it doesn't offend you, and I bring you up every second, it clearly does. You see me I say? Think a joke? Watch it.
My reaction to this song, I have thoughts. All right, overall thoughts. I'm not gonna say a mini rant, but probably a little soliloquy on biasness. All right, but yeah, I will see the comment them and all these things. How to fix bias and oh, we not fight against genocide on the part of them system. The narrative spin what Massacre do it work so well till it seem like it apply to it, right?
This too easy. When you can't buy up more pussy. The world so I go on.
Really I run without buy up war. Start.
I man Christians alone me see pick up feelings from that part there. We buy out war.
Here right now, why I just started laughing? Why?
So it feel nice.
It feel nice? Where's the bottle? Let's show them who we're sponsored by.
When you want to feel street vibes. Who buy him out there?
Bought out.
No boy can't buy me out.
Yo.
As you can see, Javi is in the building. Javi, what go on in here? Your corporate. You see my shirt? Business shirt. Yeah. I am.
Where do I say? Where do I say yo weed? Where do I say yo weed?
Let me just picture it. I remember when, as a youth growing up, you know, would I bring over a female, see?
Yeah.
And we know, say, the great is we go get them to drink some liquor. See? Because we know what go on.
Yeah.
We're not going further than that.
Yeah,
but,
man.
See, drinking any kind of, because we know we're going to see real female, you know. I real she that, you know. Yeah, you real she that, I tell you, say, see, who buy him out there? And she need a business, you know.
Where's the liquor make it talk? You have the vibes. No, because they did not discuss it before, you know. You can see they did not discuss it before they can't start. They say, why the dog started by saying, why you to start me and laugh?
So,
yeah, you see me and say, so you know.
How me interpret this, you know.
Yeah.
If whatever they vlogging or whatever go on, that's you know. Anytime me you should do
something
like that. Because I could give her more street vibes or fever for drink, you know, because I know say, oh, I does 2 more shots, you know. And she gone over my limit.
And she gone. And true, because she can't hold her mouth at this.
I am. I'm enjoying every aspect of it. Every aspect of it. The fact says WWE, like the exchange between the two man them, you see me? The fact that the people them are so biased. I enjoy all of it. Every aspect of it. Every aspect of it. The fact says WWE, like the exchange between the two man them, you see me? The fact that the people them are so biased. I enjoy all of it. I really do.
We know you
I do. Me by myself. Me by myself. I enjoy it.
That's the tree I pre down to get the joke. Yeah, freak up no when she all gonna say you, no we.
We know.
You, you know. No, but by parties people, if you say you're not biased and it doesn't bother you, you know.
People, me no business if you don't say my bias. That song sound bad already. But sorry, the song sound bad, and I'm sorry. Because the layup was there for Massacre about the whole tears thing. And him flip that now to crocodile tears because it could be said, say, for the last song where him just drop what we react to, him a cry and a complain and say, hey, no, fight me. Tell me flip that now. Call me bias, me no business. I don't care.
The only reason I play them clip is to prove, say, some of them blogger, like, me no know if when you have a personal bias or something.
And then Mrs. a bomb song drop. What that go? Oh, bias? Okay, whatever.
yo, trust me. This is gonna be, listen to me, this is gonna be all over the
Yeah, and the master biasness and we're sponsored by Straight Vibes, all these things are very. They have to pay separate money for my opinion.
Me run with whatever narrative.
Yeah, my bias, buy out all these things. Yeah, man. Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
narrative.
You know, sister, the people them a call me run back, I know. Say me a run back a cartel. That them a say no. Just because with corporate sponsor Straight Vibes. No, Terra, your fault, you know, because you come highlight it, and your fault, Terra. It's your fault. It's your fault, Terra.
Same buyout.
So I use say we buyout. Terra. The people them take it serious, what you say?
Terra's like, me say that? Me?
I just protect cartels, sir. I protect cartels, sir.
Because he's moved on.
The cartel are up on that, bro.
Why you ain't on that?
My brother shouldn't even be on this. Talk.
No, dog. Right.
Terra, big up your damn self. Be satisfied with the war where you have.
Alright. So, you see what I say now, Zane. Body language have a whole heap to do it in her. You have to remember say visuals you work with, bro. Zena, you see, when I explained to Rumpum earlier is, I feel like the thing is, because we hear Christians say take him more time to edit film thing and rare. That's because Christians come watching live them during this altercation. Then time them they watch the whole during this little thing. Zane, and I realize say Christians multiple time in react. So what happens is if you say foolishness, so you can just cut it out. Stitch one better reaction from or better review from that next video where you see me from the whole length of things. So it's gonna take him a time to see if you complete one proper video like we cut. Cause if we give you all our reasoning, you saw daytime at 6 hours.
Yeah, but we have honest opinions. Like me, I will give me honest opinions. Like this, me the so do from day one. Like review the songs, them and just give me honest opinion. Cause like all the song system, we are go listen to the song system and say a massacre ball. When me and you know say a massacre lead dancehall right now. Listen up, Vibes Cartel have to try compete with massacre. Anything the youth drop on YouTube. You see songs them when doing a clash now. And them not the millions, you know.
And when we say compete, we don't mean we don't mean compete like him literally have to compete because the name itself is such a big brand right now, Vibes Cartel.
Yeah,
automatically
no doubt.
Start ahead.
But listen, alright, see if you don't remember
but just
when
I
Not
said,
Nice,
the quality is
if
not
you don't remember
right.
when Not Nice fall upon an interview until we say Cartel no like when nobody have the eyes basically. Cartel no like when nobody a lead and him their back.
That's why me hear Terror Dan say same Terror Dan tell me same thing. Tell them the same thing. Terror Dan say what then say to Terror, what you think my George Cartel? Terror say Alkaline and Massacre clash because Cartel don't like if you know say his center attention is not around him.
It's not around him. So listen, me want to know who's somebody in them right mind that pre say. Remember say this man they are jail charge for murder, you know, bro. And this man literally say Russian on live Instagram. And take up his phone and join live.
Yeah,
and him tell we what after him join Russian live say whole black get search every phone and everything take away. Remember I tell we that one interview? So I say, just for sure that alone, sure say man love a limelight. So I say, why you the free Cartel there with party in there no one hear them songs there?
Yeah.
And don't feel no way within himself. Yeah, madman man. Some way Gaza man feel man. Me not ask the question, he might not say nothing, but we all know him feel a way.
So when I say now, Zane, when I say people, Zane in the clips, so me sure them it exhibit defensive tones, and this are just few, you know. Cause me really could sit down and sift through everything. Me not really, me YouTube not pay with people, so me really, you see me, I may have 2 kids. Me really not have the time then in real life, but just because me say, just like what I hear Jeffrey said, you would say he want to say it, but he not no proof. Well, proof is in the pudding. We got the proof. I brought my receipts.
Yeah.
Yes, what me I say.
They talk about whether you talk, so that you talk. Even know his name, you know, but this way.
I narrow that man from the fits.
Alright, this way he must say. This way he must talk about say yo Massacre come a ball now. That don't make no sense to me because the youth a lead the game.
No, that's
the system where you did create back then. When me did that talk back then. I just me talk about no. You know mean say still a stop me. So me not ball about it. Just highlight it to people. Them say yo, we say all the time. Then I might interview them and me and say to one say, yeah man, Cartel jump on the song man and is a joy man. It's a respect for get him on him car watch you know. And then Winford ask him say he do something for your career and I say yeah man he do a lot man. Very. It does simple mean say back then me did have to do that bro. Because you see if me not do that, you see system where them youth create. If me not do it, collab with them
accept a collab.
If me never accept a collab, them would have tell some producer say watch you know.
Yo, watch you
that crocodile depend on rhythm them nah go on it you know. So here we go on. Yo, we all know that, you know, man. Remember when Gully and Gaza days in a virgin. We know that, you know, before that, you know. And that's like say cargo and some youth. I jump on Massacre.
But hear me say no man.
Because they could say it.
Hear me say no man. I just want a short piece that. And what you know, that's what me I say is that's a reaction, that I feelings, that emotional. Is when me I say it's not a review. So when me I say we need to get the correction and get the narrative right. We have the clip there still, you know, because I have a couple people review the song there, you know, and a couple other songs with Amelie as well. So now we could get ahead of ourselves, man. Zane.
Alright.
Yeah. So Chris, this when you do things like them, it look like you have a side. You see what me I say? Because you're overly excited, but me not really show you this for no bias, you know, just show you what a genuine smile look like when you're happy. You see me? But as opposed to when you say, you know, bother you look well, you know, business about the narrative. So that means people must see these things. You see me?
Go so you're listening. Go so you're listening. Hey man, fix Massacre business to bomb. Yo.
Yo, people, Jaja, yo, the see me I telling you, do not rush the war, even though the song kind of release quick still like within a day. But Jaja, Gozo, you're fixing business to bombard. Massacre, I hear time now. Massacre, do not rush the war, Massacre. Do not rush the war, Massacre. Please, may I beg you, don't rush the war. Take your time and construct a proper song. And we don't want no bumbo clubbers 10-minute song this. We don't want no 10-minute song, brother. Just take your time and construct a sensible song because
Oh yeah. Well, is that Masika do song them for him?
For him.
Because somebody
Me no want a 10-minute song. Then he gone to we no want a 10-minute song. The same thing me say Naro do when say yo, me no believe you.
Well,
We don't believe you. Who's the we you're speaking for?
Say you know, say just prove a point say Jamaican's brain shallow. And they not say Jamaican's brain.
Generation.
But the generation, right? Right now. That's why they move to short clips and all them things they like all this, Because Virgin, it simply means say a 6-minute song have more substance than a 3-minute song. Because you have to get chorus, you have to get chorus, intro, or whatever. So that simply means, all right, if it's a 6-minute song, that simply means that a first minute would have be intro. I'm good to hear some things in an intro.
Yeah.
No, you are going to say you don't want no 6-minute song. When like that first song them not do for
Alright, what him also there's a little Easter eggs where me I say people we pick up on and we sound bias. Massacre, cause look what you say, you're happy if you say yo, Tamil listening here, apparently and take your advice for something. You feel pleased to say that. That's why the video was made. So yeah, smile. So you see the real smile there as opposed to
fixing
business theme. So that's the third song. That means a tears we would have talked about at this point. You see me I say, so when you say Massacre take your time and construct one good song, it would imply that Massacre never construct the first 2 songs them never good. You see me I say? So that's what I say, bro. That's how people will take it and look on it say bias. At least that's how I saw it. You see me? I just try to find the receipts for telling us that. We don't have to be aware of these things when you know it. You see me? Especially you, Krish, because you edit. So you can, although this was a free thing, and that may I tell you, so when Naro them do, it's like one whole take. When them a cut, I probably one whole scene of a cut. So it's harder for them. So you see how much take I could have find a Naro. I could look on some reactions versus some emotional reaction versus some breakdowns, actual reviews.
If I hear them and they forward out with about certain things. You understand? So
gun load, I say no nice listening. For the fools them want me go missing. So man I see me have to protect myself because I am aware that we craft you. Then we use mind game or tone-craft on you. They'll take you out. So me have to protect myself. Me have to stand up with my one. That's how I must say right there, so.
I the ask me fi song and me no lip sing. I miss a dog and my Philip the gun brings in. Sick of rhymes that pan a track, listen him. And boy live I do a victim.
Bumbo clot. The man say, Adi asked me for song. And you know why I put that in a song? Let me tell you why I do that. Because a lot of Gaza fans say, oh, Massacre ungrateful, Massacre this. Because Cartel do song with him and say, my dog, them have to live. But remember when that song they drop and how hot Massacre was and is and are. Whichever one you want to say. But the man say, yo, listen. Adi asked me for song. So my dog, them have to live. Just so you know. I want to paint the when ungrateful come to your mind, remember that song in name system. Me talk it true tonight. Let me play that back. The man say, Adi ask him for song. Zin? The man say, Adi ask him for song. And then, I play it.
Rhymes that pan a track, listen him.
Then him say, wait, I want to get to it, because I don't want to miss nothing.
Dog and my Philip the gun brings in. Sick of rhymes that pan a track, listen him. And boy live I do a victim. Man for bust up on the face and split chin. Me see you get away fast, yeah you slick slim.
Bumbo clan, me see you get away fast, yeah you slick slim. So we, the man say, yo, the same system Why not talk about me and Grateful? I add the link me for the song. Then the man say, yo, dog. Cyaah Rhyme just drop a song on a listen him. So basically what am I saying now?
I'm glad to say dog though. Because enough time he call himself like Cyaah.
Mm-hmm.
Cyaah Rhyme. It's when he says Cyaah Rhyme just drop a song, listen him.
Mm-hmm.
And but me I listen to song when me I tell you that and actually we don't get to post, you know, bro.
Mm-hmm.
When me I tell you say
I tell you say
Rhyme
people
song.
are we if the boy you just want to turn up for the shore and make you see or catch we, you know. That,
you know, even know.
Because boy we predict so something way before anybody, you know, but we small
me
time.
feel if Cyaah Rhymes when me listen to his song. When if you listen to his song, you see when he must say what him do.
Mm-hmm.
I feel if him at that point, you know, because you know we all thugs, we do that for warriors, them, you know.
Not that.
Because when the man tell me say,
when the
man say in the video say, your mother
cut up the fruit,
cut up the fruits them for you know every Wednesday.
God, my mother to blow out.
Bro,
could have face
that you see only reason why my mother do that because me I tell my mother all along when my mother tell me say,
mommy tell me
yo,
say,
you see I want to get charged. Yeah, and mommy I say, yo, Ray, you know say them boy and if you top par with them, and me I say, mommy, a good youth, them a lie people, them a tell upon the youth them. Dog, I could have feel now when me know say mommy dead, and wouldn't even reach out to say, yo, dog.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, say mommy drop out, you know, bro, and I know a thing going on. And that the man basically saying in song, say mommy dead, and wouldn't even like me.
Mm-hmm.
Dog, that's like me I say, you see level of vibes cartel, so you now pray.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say, you see, all of the defense where someone like right now put up. Because they want to get back in I teach a good grass.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. They make Massacre look like prophet when he say, I told them boy, they licky and can't stand up on their own and love bling bling. Because there's no way. The whole world knows system right now. You have a whole song.
I wonder if you remember.
When you hear me say, oh, no can.
I
say, yeah.
I wonder if you remember when Cartel did do every interview and I say, remember me write 3 songs or 5 songs give Baba Boy, you know, Ray, you know. And Mobada now come out and say nothing. Every Gaza fan run with it and say, yo. You see me that tell you no say, yo, I'm an artist, I general, I man write the whole 8 song them. Well, I know. Tell me now, oh, no, say nothing now when this a man can literally say, Adi asked me for song, and me never lip sing. You know, hear that, you know?
Like
oh, no, can say, yo, they don't know, say, a cartel reach out for show.
Mm-hmm.
Because you know not hear that.
No, they must say it, you know, they must say it, you know, because then did I wear that already, you know, they must say it, you know, Zine, but here where they must justify it with now.
Yeah.
Dog, what you mean, you give man strength? Dog, is a mutual benefit, because of this, I try to explain to you. Cartel had about 7 big songs, so I can say 6 million to 28 million views. Well, I know, in that said year, Zine, 6 or 7 big songs, you know. Zine, 3 of them alone had over 15 to 4 of them had over 15 to 20 odd million views. Zine, Infrared was the lowest one. So we can see where we're going to say Cartel no benefit, you know, bro. Zine, Massacre benefited more because at the time Massacre had about couple songs where them a link, them a rush like 2.3 mil, 1 mil and then something there. After that, in other content them will come out, start spike as well up in a 10 mil region and go up. So we can see that. But we don't need, well I know, because these people are going like they no member, bro, and this is why we show bias. Members say a goalie vendetta run the place then time that one war literally just done when Cartel come out on him page or try co-sign Massacre. Recruit one young talent, and that we need to talk about, bro. So that is a strength. That is a strength, not a strength internationally. Cartel in benefit internationally from Cartel benefit locally from him. Because when we hear say, oh, Bomba, we have one Massacre over upon Gaza, you know, if you rush them, boy, we say goalie vendetta. And that may I say, if these are the OGs, as I said, the OGs, them cannot get it wrong, they are not perfect. But bro, you don't have a responsibility at the end of the day, because people are look towards for guidance, bro. You see me? So if you don't, and what if you not wall a bias and not admit it, then you not say these things like you don't know, it just look weird, bro. You see me? This is CMR. Me kind of realize what I want to camp there, you know. But here we go on. You have the people that have a camp or them a root for somebody in a war, but then still objective. CMR are one of them. Me find out say I'm a vendetta youth. You see me? But
So
he
that,
must stay objective.
no, that make it easy can stay
objective.
because you don't have the horse in a race.
Exactly. No,
Them
but
just know say anyone I ask win,
Yeah.
and them win. Anyone lose, and them lose. Because
Alright.
if you ask why he might bring no race today.
Alright.
Simple as that.
Zane, so I hit me I say, but me see where CMR mess up to, you know, me I show on that. You see me I say when it comes to vendetta and act like in a year them part there. Alright. Run that still. That a CMR. When you go and go listen that, it sound like him a give one review, right? Deeper meaning into why the soup tastes how it tastes, right?
Yes, cause I know say you nothing violate. Boy could hide under crocodile teeth. See a dead body pass here. We have dead body pass here. I skull lift up when the unlock my blaze. Soul reaper in the place, everything I did again. Everything in the gem, the killer fling it in a them. Be no fire in a neck, a shot a fling in a them head. Every
People, me no business if you don't say my bias. That song sound bad already. But sorry, the song sound bad. And I'm sorry because the layup was there for Massacre about the old tears thing. And him flip that now to crocodile tears because it could be said, say, for the last song where him just drop what we react to, him a cry and now and a complain and say, hey, no, fight me. Tell me flip that now. Call my bias, me no business. I don't care.
get a copper, every bitch I get a lead. Every soul me I go capture that and bring it in a hell. Family, you're killing it again. Make all a reason in the massacre, my friend. Why you love the flow so much, afraid I did yourself. And everything you drop, we give a 0 out of 10.
God, hold on. That's me have to fix that chair. Hold on there. Before we get to that, hold on there.
Yeah, man, I could no,
Here we go.
Look a bit more at man.
All right, so I'm going to pull up that line about flow and digital. I'm going to pull up that line.
Why you love the flow so much, afraid I did yourself. And everything you drop, we give a 0 out of 10.
That bad.
Full of problem, that the fucking up bring hers.
I'm sorry, but them this are just more punch more to me.
Where?
Hear what I'm saying, sir. Hear what I'm saying, sir.
Yeah, what I'm saying.
Get a bad rhythm, build a chorus with no teeth. And take it and should be now your mama full speed, bro.
Build a chorus on a teeth and go shove it up in your mother. This is super disrespectful.
Alright, you can
Yeah,
stop
it
now.
disrespectful, but hear me I say now. The man we ask, the man we him a say, the man thief he chorus from a Vibes Cartel. And the man we do his song, them a tell you say, a Vibes Cartel a your boss we beat you up in your life up till today. He maybe can call you right now and box you in your blood clot. And no boy never do me that in my career yet.
Yeah.
And you are telling me say that they this them more than when Massacre say, when Massacre say, yo boy, remember say a cartel bitch you be.
Yeah, man, that I can't tell bitch that.
Tell me now how. Brother, Iman alive, you know?
But
Cartel alive, you know?
But
and you know, address it say, yo, me can't be no boy bitch. Cartel can call me and say, wait.
Nah.
Do one live
man.
and tell with them. Cause you can't tell me the lyrics. Do one live and tell with them.
Like when Squash they say, yo, Sharp down on my dog, if I did them kill my brother.
If I did them kill my brother, but after dirt them. Do something like that, man. If you not do nothing like that, you can't tell me nothing up till today day. You know if
yes, so they don't good for that time. That man know.
If Cartel give you one more call a ball, you start ball again.
No, I do you know. Anyway, listen me now. Family, a boss.
Family, I boss, but if this them not match up.
Yeah, no, listen me now. That song good youth. Alright, and here we go now. Context. Naro was up when the song
man, if you upgrade the badness, as the twins that say.
Yeah.
You open your mama business. Yeah. And a long time badness that dog upgrade the badness. Massacre tell you truth no. Say dog, right no. You a cartel bitch.
I think Naro did
upgrade the badness, man.
When the song drop, Zane. And then Massacre drop theme song after that, Death Row. Zane.
Yeah.
So watch you now. Naro, this is a reaction, people. When you see that, there's a clear cut, nobody to the soup. No, this need time. This need, you should have put one crush on peg of garlic. There's nothing like that in this review. It's not a review, it's a reaction. He was up listening to the songs live and he might give you how him feel. Now what I say is if you were to just state that you are affiliated with this camp then this reaction wouldn't get scrutiny. You understand what I say? So, just understand what I say, people. That's the difference between a review there, so, what CMR do, as opposed to a reaction from Naro. So, you see me?
When it's part of that, and then when we over from a wine and a
And then
wine.
when I review, I said the man
Yeah.
review, and then at the year with the man
Tamale.
self well. And
Yeah.
then yeah.
Fuck off.
Yo, we don't do
Fuck
a
off.
nobody boy say me the line.
Really bad.
Hey, say me the line. Focus in that brain there.
Another thing you say, no? Coke busting at the brain there.
I like.
Nah, stop telling us when snip up a crack.
Oh, that.
But it sound like focus. I focus me here first time.
That beer.
I can't listen it as much as me man. Yo, you're a dog. Fuck off.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, really bad
What's up in that beer?
girl. Really bad girl. Fuck off.
Fuck off.
Fuck off.
Nah,
No,
I can't
fuck
tell
off.
you.
Fuck
I
off.
can't tell you.
Fuck off.
To them man where them sign them soul, you will find them fall when the crooks them crawl.
Bumbleclot.
Make it
Bad.
Bad.
Killer turn Billy Goat in a pet. Bumbleclot.
You know, said that
Tamale
already.
turn Billy Goat. You better turn the animal in a pet. Look, yo, play the song.
Pause.
So you are living out the floor, stepping in the city, chilling with.
Zine, you see the other thing we make Naro, yo, and Chris look biased, bro. Oh no, quick fee. Discredit Massacre song them. Zine, and Tamale drop more fuckery in our war. That's just the reality of it. Go check the history, we just checking fans, we tell you. You see me, I say, man drop more fuckery in our war, especially them song, I'm select them song of your fact. What the fuck is this? Evil Rise when man drop after blood clot death row. Come on, bro, let's not do this. You see me? Why you hype up this shit like, you know what I mean? But we get it. Chris, me get it for you, you know. You as a youth where you're influenced by the crowd, as me said, because you're new. But bro, catch a hold. You're a big name in our business. You Akam Viper, one a big name in our business, dog. Me understand say you're new to the podcast. Well, catch yourself, my dog. You see me? Cause we have a mutual link, you know. Mario Guns, big up yourself and go follow him on TikTok. But you don't know Ronnie. Remember we had decided for this reaction.
That bad right there, so that bad. Boss a shot. Blood clot. That bad.
Yeah. Them they're not really mad. Them the lyrics are just fuckery, be a fuckery, especially coming after Death Row, be a fuckery, and System, be a fuckery. You see what I say? So when you don't hype up songs like those, dog, you see me, if you just be honest and say, yo, alright, this was a hot line here, but the rest of this a fuckery, him shouldn't do this here and them something. Now when I say Chris now did I listen, them a song, remember these them a song drop in a night when about 5 songs drop. So Chris did I listen them a song late. I can tell you which one in review in the morning. Now you see in the morning, I believe everybody had watched Terrordan review, cause you know Terrordan war organizer entitled them. You know where you go. Can't get the Daenerys Targaryen introduction there. See me, we give Jon Snow introduction. Jon Snow, Lord of the North.
That's it. Me say I watch one video of the year. And I me say things of things say better. Things of things video me say I watch. Saying,
yeah.
See I like crash them where I go on like all know the young youth there.
Mm-hmm.
The producer them need to understand. Say you see me Massacre do a song on this already me.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to wait for Tommy Lee to reach out.
Yeah, man.
You need
Send
to
it to
reach
him.
out and send it to him. Because
Yeah.
hear me now. You see, if the artists them a compete on the set with them, at them time now we can literally judge them penmanship by saying, say, bro, like you hear man do that song you ponder with him, yeah, and you go back go write this a song I expect to compare to that.
I hear what
Really?
going on. Me hear Twins say that and it just show me saying favor Massacre in a war. Because really and truly, if they were on the same rhythm, Tommy Lee a lead because he had rhythm them from a bass side. Or as he produced
No,
Massacre song them.
but hold on now.
If Twins if it was a fair rhythm,
No, it was so on that way there because to all the man understand the business.
no,
like,
me know I understand it.
because
So that's what
I
I
woulda
say
like-
is it still can stay
woulda like
objective
with-
even when
Remember say I same thing them a preach from then, you know.
Him probably have a
you know.
favorite.
I same thing them a preach from then about juggling, you know. Say juggling cut out of the dancehall because I artist.
Rhythm culture, man. We know that.
Rhythm culture.
We know
so
that,
them
man.
a pre that from day one. So it may say even if you pre that now in a clash, it's more necessary. Because if you remember when Gully and Gaza clash, you see same rhythm make a lot of sense.
Twin say man in one video where we have so I understand me.
You see like one not nice.
Record.
One not nice to get the same rhythm, you know. But it would you see flow also, it would make it have a little different sound. But listening to it, you that ears I say rhythm. It's like you fix up to Vibes Cartel.
You would add drums and Vibes Cartel style. Because there was a unique style to Cartel, just like how Steve had a unique style to Vado. Clown was Crown Clown was 99.8% bad. The only part in it is what I don't like is when him a try claim say I tell we say in this brata boss. No, you know this nobody where you add boss to the name, brother. I don't give a fuck when nobody else want to say. I rumpum. No, I don't give a fuck. I take points to that, but you still win the round them 2 round either way. So pick up yourself.
Me give me few part.
No, Crown Clown was well fucking written. When we say lyricism, melodies, dog, it was well fucking written.
Is that part there?
Anybody say otherwise?
Oh, you're afraid for loud up. That's the part great.
Another part, let me tell you lose it 2% for. Because you did not diss the man. Okay, bomb claim this boy and put boss on the name, dog. You idiot, boss.
No, that say boss part, the part.
No business.
But when he say,
I show you. Me this who you afraid for loud up.
Use that alone, and I use the boss business.
Yeah.
Walk up on him, slap it in him face and carry
The way your family chopping our song a while ago is like Massacre saying, suicide. Them never have no more card for flick. Because if you notice that song in a counteract the family, none at all. I just shoot you in your face and walk away and all type of regular rhyme. Just me bad, as usual. Nothing new about the song, really and truly. The only thing that really bad about the song is because of Massacre do it, nothing else. AKA God. But guess what? He could also be referring to the actual God. Go call your God, whether Satan, whosoever. So me a crocodile, me and a lizard. So automatically me have that excuse that if I sidestep again, the facts say me not this cartel.
The dog look like you're afraid of me. So you send out a fish and him get a body bag. Kill Nyamili in a road and brag. I can't tell bitch that I want me zigzag.
Kill Nyamili in a road and brag. A cartel bitch that I want me zigzag.
Let's keep out the first part.
Me are showing you how the whole song, mainly the cartel diss them, full of double meaning. Listen now, we can mean say cartel a batty boy came there with family. Now, him can also say, him spot see them across the road. A cartel bitch that.
Adi dog look like you afraid of me.
Well,
so you send out a fish.
Remember me say OG is not perfect. He might not hear the part there. He could have not hear the part there.
He overlook it.
He could have,
because he might talk about it. He fucked up saying say cartel this them no connect.
But me I no connect, he not say no connect. Him say Massacre purposely use psychology to flip it two way.
But me I say, his psychology did it, but he brawling said way. Adi dog look like you afraid of me.
Well,
so you send out a fish.
If you can't get a body back.
You understand?
Alright, watch it now.
And then now he say what after.
See Nyamili, kill Nyamili in a road.
Kill Nyamili in a road. A cartel bitch that I want me zigzag.
Yeah.
So I say, you all of this itself directed to 2 persons. You know, directed to see them and nobody else.
Yeah. But listen me now, man. Zane, I put one part in the people who they would say that is theme advice to Christian. You say, yo, pull you up, you're rich, brother. And to all they are rich, you might sprain a muscle.
With all that reaching, bro, you will sprain a muscle.
You will sprain
Go
a
easy.
muscle. Go easy.
So I'm a boss at Eddie now.
So let me get 2 cents now. Zane, let me get my 2 cents in now. Zane, you see, this is a review. You see my add body to the soup, but here what me I say now, you see when you're in one feel, you will more spot things. You see what me I say, where the average man where a review won't spot. So what me I say is if you want additional information where you perhaps miss, go watch a review. Don't watch a reaction. You see what me I say, if you want know how to feel about something, go watch a reaction. Don't watch a review. Because in this case, him have the perception already because he's a master of psychology, him say. Him have a perception that Massacre is using psychology as well. We feel so in a couple other songs as well. Some of our bridges that said, oh, Massacre is so smart. You wanna see video? We did say, yo, Massacre smart, but we didn't think he did put that much effort into these songs in a real and truth speaking. And that I really like what the man talk about right here. So you see him can be objective. This is a bad freaking song. But him not talk nothing really and truly where a counteract nothing really and truly. As well, I say it's just the cartel, so quote unquote, this is that are in it. So what you know, him a see it from a psychology perspective. So that making ears we know all hear the party. So remember I say we are gonna call out with OGs, 2 lakhs, the party, all him a talk about man. He brawling,
Yeah,
my friend. Me know you have pre-psychology and everything, but play the rest of the video, let me show you why.
A bitch, you no care this go wait nothing go. But remember says a different line that you know. I know there's nothing to really connect where I say to cartel.
The dog look like you're afraid of me. The dog look like you're afraid of me.
Directly. Him can find an excuse for
I put that
every
together
single
last
line.
night. I said, why man no hear that?
If we wake up, Massacre, we are going to react to the song. You understand? Me I go forward back with a more in-depth review. So me and I go listen to the song together right now. The song named Wake Up by Massacre. You see, before me even go in at the Blood Cleavers reaction, press the like button.
Press the like button and see, man.
I'm just want to press the like button, like the video, no man. What make every time me turn on the camera and forward over here, so and press upload. Me have to tell you if you like the video, bro. Anyways,
like the video.
Me turn on the camera and forward over here, so and press upload. Me have to tell you if you like the video, bro. Hey, B, Moby, I'm talking, you know. So basically, I say, yo, Kingston crime is nothing, like in Moby crime can't compare to nothing we go on a Kingston, you know.
You think so?
Casket. Come again.
At first, Massacre to me had the lead.
So listen, me now. Listen, me now, man. So that me I show the people. Them they part they cause the confusion. You hear the man say him a go do one reaction, right? And him end up a review, right? Because him a do review type. And that this is where the problem is, bro. And you can't review when you just play the song one time just so, bro. Because you as a man, Chris, we see you there on Tamale. That bad. Oh, you bad. I ain't not even hear what the man say. What reviewing are we doing? You see what me I say?
Yo, as much as Moby maybe
you see, you can't instigate war with Kingston. Well, I know you can't go instigate war with Kingston and Beer right now when a man not do that. But when you go back in the morning, you're going to realize that he said, dog, take your time, bro. Be clear, bro. That's what we're saying.
Because the problem with the business now, the artists them depend on where the people them think too much. Them stop lead and start follow. I don't have plumbers and electricians in the comment section that telling you how to do music, brother. So no just in a hurry going nowhere. That's your end up. Run on back on the battlefield and favor either.
You see the fans them, bro. Like anything the artists them do. Once I want artists, I want blood clubbers, I want blind to everything else. I want to go tell them say you're Ray. I want to go critique on own artists them, bro. Massacre, you see you want craft, you know. Hey, them boy they tell upon me. Because no boy can back Sika, you mad? And then he forward out with the bag of lies, you know. This is how Massacre say, you know. This is how Massacre say. Him forward out with the bag of lies. But at the end of the day, him daddy backs him up and he still a defend him.
Pause it.
It's how Massacre.
Now people, the part they and if part of the reaction, you know, but me only make the part, me the record the part they for show you say, yo, bro. You know say lies are being told, and that is why all repetition are gone. You understand, say, each generation not like it, but you can't succumb to the generation, you can't succumb to the fans. I mean, it's hard to say, because as entertainers, our fans feel with. You see me, but you have a not about talk about morals, because morals not depend on the letter to get rich, but you have to have some standards. You see what I say? Yeah. Alright. But we're going to get to reactions again.
Because say, him forward out with the bag of lies. But at the end of the day, him daddy backs him up and he still a defend him.
If the song and at any
He
people
daddy
that run
box
with
him
it,
till he eye
Fresh
them
would have said
swell
it.
up. And he still a defend him. And what kind of man you be, bro? That is what Massacre is saying. Not me. Not me. Not me.
No rush like the rest of Duns blogger them. We're just dying to go say something because they want to know. View it and all them care about is views. When me land on the ground, I'm not gonna get the authentic facts because I think it true. I'm research all of the facts before me talk.
He asked Javi a question. Javi gave her honest opinion, which is a fair one, my new. Majority of the persons who are judging the war effectively and, fairly share Javi's opinion. It's very much in line with Tulak's opinion. So, you see me I say, so hear him now, I try push for him narrative. And that's it. It seems like a pushing an agenda.
Can't compare to nothing we go on at Kingston, you know.
This man this sound like mute though.
Tommy gone.
At first, Massacre to me had the lead. And then when Tommy Lee dropped Dirt Day, that's when things pick up for me for Tommy Lee. And then I said, oh, okay, the competition serious now. Then after Dirt Day, Crown Clone.
Yes.
I'ma say, okay, it look like Tommy Lee a step past Massacre, right? Yes or no? And then Massacre dropped Revelation. But I did like Revelation still. I think we had discussed with Brando and Terro say, only did I say him should have step up this and just done the whole of Gaza. But me think there should be no blueprint. But say, this is how the war should go. He should do this, whatever. Just allow the man to do what he's doing a few more time. So when him drop Wake Up Now, but still never think that it's strong, like a strong clash track.
Fear.
But then the other two tracks them now, I say, all right, Massacre take back the lead for me.
Fear.
And Tommy Lee is
somewhere.
There, somewhere.
On the back foot.
Somewhere.
He's no longer
Can
in the
drop
lead.
two fuckers, so it's like, we don't even know.
So when him did drop the song after Wake Up.
This is him pushing the narrative. Can I ask somebody a question and
Song
then
after
answer
Wake
it?
Up with your system, right? With your, I know you have a similar music mind like myself. When him did drop
I know you have a
the song
similar
after
music
Wake Up.
mind like myself. I prep Javi,
Song
you know.
after Wake Up with your system, right?
You know, say if you agree with me.
I know you have a similar music mind like myself. Did you notice at first that it was the same sounding rhythm?
To be honest, I just want to hear. Is it me? I just want to hear myself.
Javi tell him no. So hear him to Terro again and ask Terro the same thing.
Box.
Terro tell him the same thing when Javi tell him.
That's crazy.
I just want to hear what I said.
hear.
I never realize if I say with him.
I said to Nara said it's just where I say matters the most in the song because me I think that take away from it to you, Naro.
And if him talk, I don't care if him sing. I just want to hear him say. Where you say, when him do Slim, when him do Kim.
First 6-7 seconds of the song, you know which song we are here already. Yeah, and the white song we are here already, right?
Yeah, the people must say White Part 7 and what also registered to me say, oh, this sound exactly the same like the last song. And it's basically a continuation of the last song. At the same beat, the same rhythm. Same rhythm. You know.
System sounded similar to
Wake Up.
There were similarities. I listen to it, I say, wait, something about the beat sound similar, but I two completely different songs, like a different things I must say, but that never throw me off. That was
no, but did you know because it's the same rhythm. It's the exact same. There's no difference.
There's
it's the same
no
rhythm.
difference,
No, it's the same.
thing?
Yeah, it's the same thing. Listen, the same thing. You know, because it's the same rhythm. It's the exact same. There's no difference.
There's
it's the same
no
rhythm.
difference,
No, it's the same.
thing?
Yeah, it's the same thing. Listen, the same thing. Listen, yeah, the same thing. Like, so my theory is that he voice one song and cut it in few. And the second half of the song have more venom than the first half. It's the same exact rhythm.
So what's wrong with that?
I'm not saying anything is wrong with it.
What's
Especially since things are going in a certain direction right now. At the time when it dropped, to me, it's just that I'm thinking that why do that when the allegations are that you sound the same for all their songs. You get me?
Yes.
Alright, so what you know? You see, him go to Chris Genius after in talk to Javi and Javi said, no, me not really hear say same song. Terror Dan calling and he said, Terror Dan said, no, me never business for the same song. You see me I say, me just want to hear what I say. So we end up go to Chris Genius. And now it gonna look like uno get buy out for real, bro, with this especially. Me understand an venture with the either Discord or Zoom or whatever technique uno use to get the video call up. Me understand so uno venture with it. Yes, what me I say, and I something where uno they want to try more. But when it look like it's a coalition on a try bill, forget everybody on the Gaza team, like on a try force the words down their mouth, because remember say uno OG, you know. So everybody will go forward, will go pay homage to uno and give uno due respect. Yes, what me I say? Yeah. So it's just like the influence we expect cartels to supposedly have. We don't have it in the podcast world. So no care. Somebody on the podcast and wanna spread this narrative, you're them more welcome into it. That's what I say. Then things that to me we make it look. I don't know if I them my fans them say people if I to not see on drop a comment. But you don't know, dog, I just a thought to like how Gage do the song that to rest of the dancehall artists them. I say sick, I know you're a bad artist and big man, but answer skin. You see me? I say yeah, something like that, my bro. You see me? Alright, for now, we take a look at YouTube title from Sir P. You see me? I
No,
say,
we can't take Sir P title.
them and they're big YouTuber, you know, dog.
Oh yeah, true that.
Oh, the word
No,
class.
but he won the title, so
I like when Alkaline they say, when he say,
we're smaller YouTuber.
when Alkaline say, when I think Anthony our youth for on stage say, are you still the youngest and the baddest? At this age that you are, he dog say, well, maybe not the youngest, but certainly still the baddest. So, Sir P, baddest
member by Vulture
look,
Squad.
yeah, you know. Zane. But differently still. That's the reasoning. And none of that, I say, bro. You see me? We have wallet more, you know, but I don't think time I go permit. We probably just snippet this and put them in. But you don't know. As I say, we have receipts, bro. I have all a 2 hour worth of short videos. So you don't know a wallet that.
You know, really no sense, people. So
yeah, you see me? So me dog, I was watching. I was there. JD6004. Gonna go check your comment. Gonna go check your comment section them. This is more this is more of a biased person versus an unbiased person.
You did hear say it was the same beat as the song before that, which was Wake Up. It was the same beat. I mean, I wonder if it's a continuation, continuation of the same
That's
song,
weird,
but
bro.
him just chop it in a two. You know, give a fuck.
I don't care about the same beat. No, I care about what him say. I don't care about the beat.
Hey, cut it with terrorists, we don't give a fuck, you know?
But, so probably...
This is the strength argument.
I must say, being a sec, family are begging strength from prison. So it can be anybody. It's not like him say cartel. That's about the part when my dogs don't feel we know definitely say it's cartel. And the part you refer to as the strength, it can be cartel and it can be family. It never precise like a who. You see me? But regardless of what, I feel like said that part is just to clear the ear say. I never beg no song for nobody. And me I do my thing, and them see what me I do, and love what me I do, and ask me for a collab.
Exactly, and if somebody say me I give you a strength, is that a this? Would you take that as
right?
a this? No support that mean.
You know your opinion.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Not to me.
And remember say no.
Pause.
You can get this bike. Alright.
Cartel, I mean, this man, you know, you see me I say, bro, him look irritated. I remember again a visuals you deal with. So body language tells a lot, and they will make people say you're biased this way. Then somebody in the comment section say him now blood cleat, the effects now invite terror than again because he say massacre win.
You can say I give man a strength and this minute. Just like when Alka say, me see say I look a strength, that's why me answer you. That is a this.
But it's a strength.
Remember? Ricochet.
It's a strength. A Vado tell Alka to give
like giving a strength, there's a difference between giving a strength and me wanting to voice a collab with you where I know say there's benefits for me, there's benefits for you. Me giving you a strength is like, yo, you need me, right? You needed me to make you hot at the time you need hot, so me give you a strength. But look down upon you and give you a strength. And that's what giving you a strength usually means.
Usually?
Probably that's the case. I'm not sure at what point, bro, that happened. Probably that's the case. Probably, I don't know. These are the things that me just say me off. Me just try to put two and two together and I say, all right then. Probably him and their prison stress out and I say, John was spare. John no more
Objective.
get back a thing out there. And I'm just saying, I'm not sure if it's demon here. And I say, yo, Massacre, we could do a song now. And say, all right, and then a song there, I go on. So that's trend. I'm not sure. These are the things I just put two and two together, you see me? I mean, I say, I don't give a man a strength, nothing wrong with that. But why Massacre probably expose these things because people are say Massacre ungrateful car him beg cartel collab and now him a turn him back from cartel. So the man I said, bro, I did not beg cartel nothing. He linked me.
Upon a narrative.
That's true, but without a doubt, we can't go around the fact that that song did more for Massacre than it did for Vybz Kartel. Can we all agree?
If it's a hit song, you know, do both for the two of them. You see me? You do both for the two of them, see me? You gain new fans. No matter who you is, you have to gain new fans.
Would it be said that it did more to help Massacre than it did more to Vybz Kartel?
Yeah, man, again, man.
It do more to help Massacre. But at the same time, bro, we don't want it respond like say a cartel give Massacre strength alone. The two of them strengthen up each other, bro.
That's true. That's what the spirit of collaboration should be.
That's why I say context. Because
bro, Massacre just clear the ear, bro. It's not about who gives strength.
I understand the aspect that it. I get the aspect that clearing the ear. The bag of people they must say, "Are you beg for song?" And no, like him call me. Like I understand.
Pause, you know, if you get them the aspect of it, say that while you're doing your review. Don't only to discredit by saying what him do this, how him give this, why you understand? Say that. And the other hand, no, Massacre is saying that I know you give me the strength. My career was in full blast, same way, but you elevate it a little bit. But 2 years without that song would have still reached where me reach. La 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 la. That's a review, bro. That's how I would have seen bias, bro. Now what you know when the man go for too biased, my dear reason. The last video was disgusting. Rumpu made it the one I'm missing it.
Series with different episodes.
I don't know. From my perspective, it sounds like a one song in voice and him chop it up in a two because it sound like the same song. You know, like say like a cartel with a voice pan different rhythm, but the song them would have sound different even though it depend on the said rhythm. I know the case that with this, it sound like a continuation of the last song. So that's why me I say a one song in voice and for some reason him decide to split it up in a few.
I want to tell you, say, I see him think, I say about the two first song, you know. The two first song, me pretty like say him do a 12-minute song and just bust in a two.
Good.
I see him think about the first
yeah, bro. And to me, from my perspective, me no feel like that does well in going against allegations. So you sound the same by your song.
To you.
I feel like that further feeding another narrative. Them. I don't know if I see him with you.
Alright, the thing is, we all know say he must hear and he must see all the criticism. He must say everything by the media. Because at the media, why him the right, so him the right now. You know? You see me right, so December 11 now I drop all these songs like this who he never want this and whatever. But him here, all
create
the
their own narrative.
All right. But we just feel like say he might do this one flow thing and the rhythm, me feel like he might do it on purpose. Because he take every other criticism. Why he not take the one we say,
this are before they throw, you know.
the same on all your songs. Why?
So that was smart for Christian. That is what I say, you know, Christian really fully biased. He have a side, you know. You see me, but he just work with the crowd. Anybody the crowd say I win, he boost them more. Two sides, what they call it? Jackie from two sides. Alright, so I say still, you see me? The creator them just label no content them properly, brethren. Yes, what I say, if you don't have no bias, just declare them from early and study craft. The audience, we don't need to question narratives. You see me? Stop listening nice blindly, brethren. You see me? I say, yeah, man. And listen to balanced voices. We not there for tear on down. We there so to try elevate a culture and sharp these spaces. So I say, so big up on yourself. If you no hear, if you no feel offended, ask yourself why. If I feel seen, good. But they were there for help.
But nevertheless, I not take disrespect from no boy at all. You can bad in a comment section, say all I want in a comment section. You can't try that comment section shit with me in a real life. So me know that, and with that I comfort myself. Approach me in a real life and tell me you just tell me in a comment section. And we know who's serious.
876 critical thinking. Big up yourself. And the big up baddest thing. Break it.